Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forrest Tech Reviews, back with another video today. In today's video, yes, I'm going to give you my final thoughts, my impressions with the Galaxy S9 Plus for the last 75 days. But before I get into that video, check this out. Okay everyone, like I said earlier, yes, this is my experience, my opinions on the Galaxy S9 Plus. I've been using it for 75 days now, so I just want to give y'all this video, let y'all know what I feel about it, give y'all my opinions on it, and my experiences. Again, it's my experiences. Yes, I said 75 days. I didn't say 2 months later. I didn't say 3 months, 6 months. I've been using it for 75 days, so that's what I'm making the video on. But again, it's my opinions, my experience with the phone. If you have the Galaxy S9 Plus, let me know in the comments what you think about it, what your experience has been. But on this video, I want to talk about the display, the build quality, the cameras, the speakers, the overall experience, updates, battery life, AR emojis, and how does it work as a phone. Everyday phone, making calls, receiving messages, doing speaker calls. How does it actually work as a phone? So let's get this video started. First thing is the display. I mean, look at the colors on this thing. Looks great. Little Google News there. HTC U12. But the display is great. A 6.2 inch Super AMOLED display. Quad HD display, should I say. Look at that. I mean, when you're watching YouTube videos, when you're watching Team 100 streams, man, the display is great. Watching Netflix on here is great. You know, it's a great display. I will go out there and say Samsung makes probably the best displays for a cell phone. If you don't agree with me, let me know what you think. What phone company that you know that makes actually a better display than Samsung. And then we can definitely talk about it in the comments. Next thing I want to talk about is the build quality. Yes, it's glass on glass. Does it track fingerprints? Yes. I just cleaned it off before this video. But glass on glass with a metal frame. I mean, but it fits really good. It feels good. Look at that. Fits good in my hands. I can use it with one hand. The cameras look in the back. They fixed the fingerprint scanner, whatever you want to call it. It actually fit. I mean, it's in a good spot now, at least for me. So overall, build quality, I'll give it an A+. Let's talk about the cameras and that. I'm going to show y'all some pictures I took with the cameras, but the cameras are really good on this phone. You have an 8 megapixel camera in the front. Then you have dual 12 megapixels cameras in the rear. Then that one at the top is actually dual aperture. First time on a cell phone. It goes between 2.4 and 1.5 aperture. I don't know. I think that's pretty cool. First time doing it. Check out these pictures I took in the low light and also during the day. Let me know what y'all think about them. Also, with the Galaxy S9 Plus, it does take great video. I will put a link on the top right of this one. You can actually check out the videos I took with the Galaxy S9 Plus. Leave me in the comments what y'all think about it. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, so what y'all thought about those photos, let me know in the comments. Again, the Galaxy S9 Plus has some great cameras. The rear cameras take some great pictures, especially in the low light with the dual aperture. The videos look really good. 4K at 60 frames per second. Come on now, only the iPhone X can do it. Hopefully these other phones coming out can compete with the Galaxy S9 Plus, because their big motto for this phone was the cameras reimagined. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Moving on, I want to talk about the speakers. I'm going to give Samsung an A+ for doing the dual speakers on the Galaxy S9 Plus. Yes, it has a speaker here, and then at the bottom, right there, bam, it has a speaker. Are they the loudest and the clearest? No, but it actually works great. Watching Netflix, watching YouTube, I have no problems. Don't need the headphones in. And yeah, the speakers sound really good compared to other phones that I have. Or is it up to iPhone X level or iPhone 8 Plus? No, but the speakers sound really good to me. Again, let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. And if you plan on picking it up, like I said, watch videos, do your homework, and then come up to a conclusion on if you're going to pick up this phone. Also, let's talk about the overall experience of the phone. Samsung used to have this problem with lagging, lagfest, lagsung. Everybody used to talk smack about the Samsung phones lagging after a while. Again, 75 days later, I have no lag on the phone. Look at, man, I mean, it runs smooth. I actually, like I said, I play these games all the time. Asphalt 8, Guns of Boom, I play almost every day for, you know, a couple hours maybe. And I have no problems. It works. No hiccups. You can check out the gaming video. I will link it on the right there. You can actually check out the gaming video too. And let me know what y'all thought about the gaming on the Galaxy S9 Plus. But overall experience, I have no problems with lagging. If you do, let me know. Like I said, a Snapdragon 845 processor, 6 gigs of RAM, have been working really great for me. But again, I want to know your opinion. If you have it, your experience, let me know in the comment. Also, let's talk about a couple things I don't like or things that they can improve on. I did a rant video earlier. You can check that video out also about updates. I mean, it's still running Android 8.0. Came out straight out of the box. Security patches March. Samsung is not known for giving updates quickly. This phone probably won't get Android P until who knows when it will get Android P. But updates is a whole different thing. I'm not going to go into a rant. Hopefully they keep on updating. It actually is running a better security patch than some of my 2017 phones. So hey, kudos for Samsung for keeping it that update, and T-Mobile. You know, we can go on and on about updates, but again, updates can always be a problem. The biggest problem I have with this phone, y'all, is battery life. Battery life, battery life, battery life, battery life. $820. I have to put the phone on the charger usually around 3 or 4 o'clock. Just to give me enough juice to get through the day. I'm averaging between 4 to 4.5 hours of screen on time. I can make a rant video about battery life. I need to know what your experience is. If you have the S9 Plus, let me know what your experience is with battery life. I can't do anything to get the battery. I reset the phone. I cut down the screen time one time on it. I did everything that I possibly could think of to get better battery life. Did it improve it? Yes. I maybe got 30 more minutes of screen on time. But overall, battery life has been horrible for me. Again, this is my experience. I want to know yours. Battery life. Just mark that down. Another thing that they could get rid of. I don't even use it. Like I said, I reset the phone trying to see what else I could do with the battery. AR emoji. AR emojis. No, Samsung. Don't do it. Don't try to copy Apple. Leave it go. Move on to something else. Just let it go. AR emojis. Yeah, don't do it no more, Samsung. If you watch this video, drop the AR emojis. Come back with something different, because I don't think anybody uses it. If you do, let me know, because that would be a shock. Everybody I talk to usually don't use them. But if you do, let me know in the comments. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is using the phone as a phone every day. Making calls, receiving texts, sending texts. Overall, it's been a great experience for me. I have no problems. I read somewhere online where people was having problems with the speakers. The people on the other end could not hear them. It sounded like they was underwater. Maybe they was doing it right after they came from being under water, putting the phone in there, because the phone is water resistant. But I haven't had any problems. People can hear me. I can hear them. I do speaker calling all the time, because where I live, you can't. You know, if you don't have your Bluetooth, you can't hold your phone and talk, you know, for safety reasons. So I put it on speaker, put it on the dash. I can talk with no problems. They can hear me. I can hear them. So speakerphone, making calls sound great. Yeah, I have no problems with it. Again, let me know in the comments what your experience has been with the phone, using it as a phone, because sometimes we forget about using the phone as a phone. A lot of YouTubers don't talk about it, but my experience has been using the phone as a phone. It works great. So let's just recap. Display is great. The build quality, I mean, hey, it's a 2018 phone. It's pretty much the norm. Glass front, glass back, metal sides. It feels great in the hands. Pause. No, I don't sound like somebody else. The cameras are really good. Speakers, what an improvement from the S8 Plus. Overall experience, hey, I can't complain. The only thing I'm going to complain about, you're going to hear me on Team 100 streams, hear me on Twitter, see me on Facebook, is battery life. Battery life. When I go to sleep at nighttime, battery life is always in my mind. But overall, the Galaxy S9 Plus is a great phone. I have a question for everybody. Will it be your phone of 2018? Is it my phone of 2018? Way too early to say that. But I want to know what you think about it. Let me know in the comments. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.